still on it. Build on it. We still on it.
Let's flip up the top.
Build on it.
Great.
We still on it.
Hold on, we gotta get this out of the
Build on it. We still on it. Build on it. We still on it.
Oh wow, it's got like some paper on it to protect the paint or to protect it. Alright, let's open her up. Alright, just a quick little, we took the boxes off. Obviously it's not white, it's got some paper on it to protect the paint job on there. But man, it's already looking really clean, dude. Really clean. Real easy. I'll tell you something, man. I tried to buy this quad 3 times. And the 4th time, they got it right. So shout out to X-Offroad, man. Real easy to get it. Whatever price they tell you at checkout and whatever colors they have is what it is. They're not going to call you and say, oh, we don't have that color. Or, oh, you need to pay us another $160 for us to ship this to you after you already paid. It's ridiculous. Scooter ATV sales. Yeah, him. He's got like 8,000 subscribers. That's what he does, man. Get 8,000 subscribers, so that gives him notoriety. Good channel for information, but go ahead and get yourself ripped off if you mess with them, man. Straight up. And on top of it, they don't have the right color that you ordered. And they want to charge you an extra $160 on top of whatever you paid, $1,400, $1,500. I forgot what they charged. I think they were more like $1,500. And if you don't, when you're not getting the one you want either, they charge you $50 in a refund fee. Rip off, man. Straight up Scooter ATV sales, man. Rip off. Nothing else is really. That's who it is, man. It's just terrible. This thing's gonna be dope compared to the little one, which is gonna be the girls and the boys. But of course, I'm gonna ride this thing too. So we'll get all this taken out and start having it come together. And I thought I was getting drum. I was a little disappointed too because I was like, man, the only thing I don't like about it is they come with drum brakes on the front. Not this one, man. This one's got disc brakes on the front too, as well as the back. So I'm happy about that. All right, so we do have to put the front shocks on. That's the rear wing, the accessories in there, the battery, and charger, 12 volt, the chain guard, 2 front wheels are massive wheels and tires, bigger than I thought they'd be. Skinnier in the front, and then just fat in the rear. Gotta blow them up. Got the freaking cage off. Gonna pull this pallet out. But man, this thing's freaking sweet looking. Gonna pull those stickers off and everything. Pretty easy to get out. Get it all set up. And like I said, man, X-Offroad. I paid $14.95. That's it. I tipped my driver too. That's it. And they used R&L carriers. Solid, dude. Solid. Get a text the morning of. Tracking number the whole way. Doesn't come with the drum brakes like it says. It actually comes with disc brakes, and I was like, man, hoping I could switch them to disc. But really, the front's not as important as the rear anyway. The rear has disc and all, the old style. We'll be able to make it electric in the future. I already sat on it. Feels nice. Feels nice. So yeah, man, I'm super happy with it. Super happy with X-Offroad. I guess it was a lot more helpful going to a company that's out of Texas. X-Offroad, man, $14.95. No BS, dude. They say free shipping, it's free shipping. But scooter ATV sales, man, rip off, dude. Rip off. And I told him I'd be making a video about it too, just because it pissed me off. So here's that video. You want to buy from them, you're going to be paying, what, $1,600, $1,700 for the same thing. Dude, I want to buy from somebody that's just doing legit business. I don't want to buy from somebody who's going to rip you off if you don't want the color that they say they're going to give you. No. I ordered the red because they said they had red, blue, and green, I think, at the time. So I got the red. They didn't try to say they had 7 other colors and then tell you they didn't have it. It's just no bullshit. X-Offroad, man. I'm telling you. If you're buying an ATV like one of these. All right, so real quick, since I'm not really doing an assembly video, but I'll just explain like I did with the go-kart. Yeah, you can. Hold on 1 second though. So you'll start with the top one here, but don't put the bottom one in. I'm gonna use the inside, softer ride on the inside, stiffer ride on the outside. We're gonna do on the inside, but you're gonna wanna put all this on first. And then and that comes with the nut. And then your steering rod will go in here. Pretty simple. These already has, so you only need nuts to put the wheel on. This, you'll get 2 bags of hardware. One will be for the shocks and everything else, that type of stuff. The other one will have exactly what you need for the 2 back rear hubs, which are 8 total of these, with lock washer and a washer. These wheels and tires were bigger than I thought they'd be. Super happy with it.
I'm gonna take it.
So I just wanted to explain that.
I'm gonna take it away.
And then that 3rd bag of hardware is for the handlebars.
Dad, I'm gonna take all of this away.
I love you. She's working hard. But yeah, we got those tires filled up. We're gonna fill those up and get all that set up first, and then go from there. All right, so we got the rear wheels on. 4 13mm bolts with lock washers and washers.
You still on me. You still on me. Build on it. You still on me.